Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Canvas. In today's video, I will draw a beautiful wall painting. First, you see the video. Hope you like it. If you enjoy this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you love art and drawing tutorials and wall painting, don't forget to subscribe the Raj Canvas for more creative content. I take commission work for portrait, watercolor paintings, acrylic paintings and wall paintings. If you would like to commission a custom artwork, please feel free to contact me. My contact details are available in video description below. Thanks for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.